Robotics and automation are transforming the way we work and live, with applications across a wide range of industries. In logistics and distribution, robots are helping to streamline operations, reduce costs, and increase efficiency. Automated conveyor belts and drones are used to move goods around warehouses and distribution centers, while autonomous vehicles are used to transport products on the road. In healthcare, robotics and automation are improving patient outcomes and reducing the risk of human error. Robotic surgery systems allow for more precise and minimally invasive procedures, while telemedicine and remote monitoring enable healthcare professionals to provide care from a distance. In agriculture, robotics and automation are increasing efficiency and reducing waste. Automated tractors and drones are used to plant, monitor, and harvest crops, while sensors and data analytics are used to optimize irrigation and fertilization. And in our homes, robotics and automation are making our lives more comfortable and convenient. Automated lighting and temperature controls, smart home assistants, and robot vacuums are just a few examples of how technology is improving our daily lives. From manufacturing to healthcare to agriculture, robotics and automation are transforming industries and creating new opportunities. With advances in artificial intelligence and machine learning, we're only just scratching the surface of what's possible. Robotics and automation, shaping the future of work and life.